Today's DT based topic is aircraft gas turbine. This is the aircraft jet engine. Jet engine consists of four or five parts, important parts. First one is diffuser, second one is compressor, this is combustion chamber, turbine, and the nozzle. These are the five topics in the gas turbine. The diffuser, what will happen? The air will enter into the engine and it is diffused and the air velocity is reduced with the diffuser. Next section is compressor. In the compressor stage, there are two stages are there. The first stage, initial stage, the air is compressed in the low categories. In the second compressor stage, the high compression stage takes place and fuel pressure of 30 bar. It is happening in the compressor stage. The other one is combustion chamber. This gas turbine consists of 8 or 12 combustion chamber units. This is the individual combustion chamber in which the air and the fuel mixture and the combustion takes place inside the engine. So in this combustion chamber, the combustion products are mixed and ignited and combust. The products will actually in the combustion chamber, the air and the air fuel ratio is about 100 is to 1. That is 100 kg of air is mixed with 1 kg of fuel. In case of aircraft gas turbine. In case of IC engine, the combustion ratio is 50 is to 1. In case of aircraft gas turbine, ratio is 100 is to 1. That is the difference. So 100 kg of air is mixed with 1 kg of fuel. That is the combustion chamber. This is the turbine source. This is the important one. Where the expansion is taking place, where the work is exerted in the engine. All the combustion products will hit the turbine blades so that the turbine will rotate fastly. So, and the pressure radiating is reduced with the temperature also reduced. When the turbine rotates, it gives supply power to the compressor also. It is interconnected. Turbine and compressor are interconnected. The turbine gives power to the compressor so that the compressor also works. After the turbine, the section is called nozzle, where the jet velocity is increased so that the aircraft will propel in the forward direction. There is the nozzle section. The nozzle exit velocity is calculated using the formula. So, in our gas turbine, the turbine section is very important. Turbine blades having a aerofoil shape, that is leading edge and trailing edge. So the expansion takes place in the turbine. Turbine also there is a two sections. First stage turbine and the second stage turbine. After the turbine expansion, the hot gases will go through the nozzle where the high jet velocity will go out of the nozzle so that the aircraft will move in the forward direction according to the jet velocity. This is the basic things about the gas turbines. Apart from this one, the gas turbines works on the cycle of Brayton cycle. So you know the IC engines, Otto cycle, diesel cycle, dual cycles are there. But in the case of gas turbine, this is worked on Brayton cycle. Brayton cycle consists of two constant pressure cycle and two reversible cycle. That is the concept of the Brayton cycle. So gas turbine works on the Brayton cycle. The efficiency is more than 90%. In case of IC engine, the efficiency is less than 50%. In the case of jet engine, efficiency is more than 90%. That is the difference between IC engine and the jet engine. And the final thing, our today's DT topic is turbine based. The turbine expansion is compared with the compressor. So the compressor and the turbine relationship is very important in case of jet engine.